Today in the grain market, soybeans were up again. That cash basis hit an 8-year high, with May trading $1.80 over the NOVE, but the market's looking very strong. Demand is still very strong. There is concerns about the acres, that are there enough acres planted to fulfill the demand that's going to be coming in later on down the road. I think that's a little bit of the strength behind pushing the market up a little bit higher. It looks like all the futures really in the grains are kind of sensitive to the news right now. And for soybeans, the objective seems to be much higher now. And we see option volatility now going up above 20%. And that just lets you know that they're expecting even more going forward. Corn also made a new high. The futures did push through that $6 mark. So that will almost become a support level at this time. These are the same prices dating back to 2014. Commercials seem to be the big buyers here in corn. I think that's just showing that everybody's really getting on board. Weather is dry in Brazil. That's a big concern. Also sending the markets higher. I think the December corn as well is really strong. We've now kind of rolled into July as the front month right now, with open interest just continuing to expand. So not only the roll, but just adding to other options open interest. There's just a lot more participation. Wheat also jumped up, up over 17 cents at one point, and it just looks like the futures just have found some footing to really push through a little bit higher. Now, the freezing temps did spark the buying right now. The futures did a spread is very steady really across the board. So every month all the way through to the end of the year is very close. The spreads are only maybe about 20 cents, but there is some sentiment that perhaps we're going to get over that $7 mark. Right now, option volatility is up over 30%. All these option volatilities are high historically, so that just tells us that there's a lot more activity, and they're just expecting volatility to expand. And in wheat in particular, the out of the money options, the skew is kind of going up, and the activity also is a lot higher. So they're really expecting something big. And with that size of a range, even though wheat's fundamentally is a little bit more bearish than corn and beans, it will tag along, and it will add to the strength of all the grain market. So crop progress and export sales are going to be the real news week over week. But the market's going to be sensitive to that, so we're going to watch that closely.